Yesterday, Nairobi's Environment Chief Officer Geoffrey Mosiria spearheaded a transformative cleanup operation in the CBD. With a dedicated team, the operation targeted illegal signage cluttering public spaces. The focus is not just on aesthetics, but also on creating a healthier and more vibrant environment for Nairobi's residents and visitors alike. Illegal signage has long been a challenge in the CBD, obstructing walkways and diminishing city's visual appeal. Yesterday's operation not only cleared those obstructions, but also sent a strong message about the importance of compliance with the city regulations. As Nairobi takes strides towards becoming a cleaner and healthier city, operations like this reminds us of the role we all play in keeping our environment safe and beautiful. Geoffrey Mosiria and his team have set an example for all of us to follow. Kindly give us your thoughts about this move and stay tuned to Truly Kenyan TV for more stories from across the country. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for your daily dose of news and inspiration. Thank you for watching.
Well, the work you are doing is very good. You are Dr. I'm also supporting you full time. So, nimekuja kutoka huko.